You will need a command prompt running as administrator. You can right click on the start menu and left click command prompt admin, or you can left click search the web in Windows and tap command and then right click on the command prompt and left click run as administrator. Once you've done this and open up a command prompt as the administrator, we can tap net user and view all of the active users on this computer. Now we can tap net local group administrators to view all of the administrator users on this computer. We have the hidden administrator account and the user 1, which is also an administrator. Now we can tap net user add user 2 password 1. Give user 2 a password called password 1. Now we can tap net local group administrators user 2 add, which gives user 2 administrative rights. Now let's create a user without administrative rights. We'll call it user 3. Now we can tap net user to view all of the current users on this PC, and as you can see, user 2 and user 3 has been added. Now we can tap net local group administrators to view all of the administrators on this PC. As you can see, user 2 has been added. Right click on the start menu, left click control if you want to view the graphical interface of what we just did. So let's left click manage another account, and you can see user 1, user 2, and user 3. User 3 is not an administrative, it's a local account. And user 1 and user 2 has administrative privileges. So now we tap net user administrator /active yes to make the hidden administrative account active. And now it appears there, but we have no need for it to appear there. I was just showing you that for demonstration purposes only. So I will disable it again and go back one and left click manage another account. Now it is hidden again. Now we will remove an account by tapping net user user 2 /delete, and let's view it in the graphical interface, and it has been deleted. Now we will remove user 3. It has been deleted as well.